5, 6, and now relax. Come back. Again, Moju Jangchin. Open legs a bit. Diaphragm lane. Right hand up. Inhale. Exhale, bend left. Come back. Inhale. Exhale, bend right. Inhale. Exhale, bend left. Inhale. Exhale, bend right. Continuous. 5, 6. Focus more on breath. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Good. Relax. Thigh sumo. Relax your head. Down thigh sound. Inhale. Open shoulder. Exhale. Drop shoulder. Look up. Awareness in your shoulder, upper back. Inhale. Come back. Exhale. Push one. Bend forward. Leg straight. Hanchan. Come back, inhale. Exhale again. Lift up your spine. Rib cage. Open shoulder. Inhale, come back. Exhale, squeeze one. Bend down. Forward fold. Hanchan. Leg straight. Come back, inhale. Exhale again. Drop shoulder. Drop your head. Come back, inhale, exhale, bend down. Come back, inhale, once again, exhale, drop shoulder, look up, stay there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, come back, inhale, exhale, bend down. Squeeze one, leg straight, hanchan, your spine straight. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Come back, inhale, exhale, relax. 3 times, deep breathing, Balanti Vaposa, Takati Vav. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, once again inhale, and now exhale. Good. Everybody facing this side. Down by sound, finger lock from behind. Inhale and exhale. Just turn on the left and try to touch your left leg. Leg straight on here. Come back, inhale. Exhale on the right. Chanfai. Hanchan, Hongapchan. Your leg straight. Do not bend it. Inhale. Exhale, touch your left leg, focus on the breath. Inhale, exhale on the right. Inhale. Once again, exhale on the left. And now stay here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Come back, inhale. Exhale on the right side. Touch your right leg, just try. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Come back, inhale. Exhale now. And forward the front side. Leg straight. Thumb chin. Lock your knees, stomach in, spine straight. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Come back, inhale. Exhale, relax. 3 times, deep breathing. Tatkahi bow. Hausa. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale and exhale. Again facing this side. Come back. So we go again side bending. High thigh laying, both hands up. Finger roll, palm together. Inhale. Exhale, bend on the left. Inhale. Exhale, bend on the right. Inhale. Exhale, bend on the left. 3. Inhale. Exhale, bend on the right. 4. Inhale. Exhale, bend on the left. 5. Inhale. Exhale, bend on the right. 6. Inhale. Exhale, bend on the left. 7. Focus more on your breath. Inhale. Exhale, bend on the right. Stomach in and pull your stomach upward. Inhale, come back. Exhale on the left. 9. Inhale. Exhale, bend on the right. 10. Inhale. Exhale, bend on the left. Môi both. Tập trung thở. Hít vào. Thở ra 5. Môi 2. Hít vào. Thở ra 4. Môi 3. Hít vào. Thở ra 5. Môi 4. Hít vào. Thở ra 4. Môi 5. Hít vào. Thở ra 5. Môi 6. Hít vào. Thở ra 4. Môi 7. Hít vào. Thở ra 5. Hít vào, last round. Thở ra 4. Môi 9. Hít vào and thở ra 5. Hai môi. Hít vào and thở ra hai tay xuống, relax your hips. Again, we go 3 times, deep breathing. Tất cả hít vào. Thở ra. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. And then exhale. Hai tay lên, both hands up. Finger lock, palm facing up, down tight. Stretch your arm first and your hip pushing front side and push your arm behind. Thumb loop, spine straight. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Relax. Inhale. Exhale, thighs over. Down thighs down and twist over. Bend down. Thumb chin, your legs straight. 1. Thigh hands up. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Come back, inhale. Exhale, relax. Once again. High thigh lean, both hands up. Finger lock, palm facing up. Stretch your arm, your hip, mount, pushing front side. And push your arms behind only. Not the bending. Takchon, lung chain. Focus on the upper back. And now try. 1, 10, 2, move front, 3, move front, 5, core, 10, 6, relax. Inhale, come back. Exhale, thigh swing, relax your hand. Down thigh sound, kui swing, back down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and now relax. Come back in here. Go. Huh? Go. Okay. We will do a little. I'll let you make up. Come on. Start. Now head go to. Yes. Here go. Continuous. Mocho theme, a little bit more. Come on. Yes. Theme, a bit more. Theme, more. Very good. Top. Theme. Faster. Hey, clean up. Come on, go. High, bar, ball. Fast, blend in. Sound, head, by, thumb, chin, and boy. Okay. Now hip valve, nose, and toes up out. The hip valve and toes up. Hip valve, dilate, and toes up. Nice one. From the mouth, exhale. When the body is tired, so you can exhale from the mouth. Fast moving relaxation. Hip valve, dilate, and toes up. Nice one. Okay, so relax. So we continuously up to Chan Phai Sao, your right leg back. And then Kui Suang, bend down. Put your hands down. Just take it easy, comfortable, especially in the morning time. 1, make sure your legs straight, thang chan. 2, your hips square, thang long. 3, stomach in, hobo. 5, and now 6. Easy. Come on, come back. Inhale, and then exhale. Other side, on the right side. Same thing. Bend down, inhale, exhale down. Make sure your both legs heel in a one line, align. Move 5 south and move chest forward. Your right heel back. Left heel pushing front side. 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Good. Come back. Once again, left foot, down the saulu, finger lock behind. Inhale, exhale, then bend down. Same thing, a little change, a little intensive. 1, 2, 3, up to 4, 5, 6. Relax, come back. Other side, right leg, both leg heel align. Hip out, toes up, Kui Suang, bend down. Exhale. You no need to touch your leg if you cannot, just nearby. Maintain the alignment. 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Come back, everybody. Once again, third time learn back. So this time just put your both hands down first. Cross your leg with the right hand. Tai Chi lane. Left hand up. Look up. Tai Chi swan. Tai Chi lane. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and now relax, come back, other side, on your right side, come on, same thing, Tai Chi swan, Tai Chi lane, left hand down, your right hand up, 1, use the block, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6, come back. Same practice, again left side, same. Tai Chi swan, Tai Chi lane, you can use the block. Same, come on once again. Give a maximum twist, opening your shoulder. 1, tuck chin, focus. 2, maintain the balance. 3, 4, 5, 6. Silent. Relax, come back. Other side, right side. Down crab, Tai Chi swan. Left hand down, right hand up. Alignment same, both leg in a line, your legs straight, hips square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then relax, come back, facing front side, legs together, chupchak, relax your leg first. Continuous, Chan Phai Lui sound, your right leg back. This time, flex your left foot. Jump back, open arm, shoulder level. Hip up, and then thousand, Kui Swan, bend down. Just only on the 90-degree, thumb long, knee thumb everybody, look front. 1, open arm, shoulder level. 2, spine straight. 3, 4, 5, 6, tatka, thumb tie, your arms front, maintain. 2, thumb turn, leg straight. 2, flex the foot. 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Okay, fine. Tai swan, both hands down here. Do a high Tai Sao. If you can, put your arms back. Khong do or khong kai. If you cannot, so take it easy, just nearby. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Very good. Relax. Come back. You can relax. Chan Chai Sao, your left leg back. Same thing, flex your right foot. Open arms, Jang Tai. Hip up, thousand, Kui Swan, bend down. Thang chan, leg straight. Thang on your hip square. 1, Nin thang, look front. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Thang tay, your arms front side. Look front, knee down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Tay xuống. Hai tay sau. Drop your hands down. If you can, put your arms back. If you can't, so just nearby. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then relax. Come on. Chup chup, legs together, relax, relax. Relax it. Everybody again, facing this side. Open legs sidewise. I will take you back in the side bending. High thigh lane, both hands up. Hold your elbows. Hip out and thumbs up. Bend on the left. Hip out, thumbs up. Bend on the right. Inhale, exhale. Bend on the left. Inhale, exhale. Bend on the right. Inhale, exhale, bend on the left. Inhale, exhale, bend on the right. 6. Inhale, exhale, bend on the left. 7. Inhale, exhale, bend on the right. 8. Inhale, exhale, bend on the left. Inhale, exhale, bend on the right. Inhale, exhale, bend on the left. 11. Inhale, exhale, bend on the right. 12. Inhale, exhale, bend on the left. 13. Inhale, exhale, bend on the right. 14. Inhale, exhale, bend on the left. 15. Going up. Inhale, exhale, bend on the right. Go south. Inhale, exhale, bend on the left. By. Inhale, exhale, bend on the right. With thumb. Inhale, exhale, bend on the left. 19. Inhale, exhale, bend on the right. Now beats. 20. Okay, inhale, come back. Exhale, push one, bend down. And numb high posture. Bend forward and hold your ankle here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Relax everyone. Come back, facing front side. Relax it. 3 times deep breathing. Balanti pose. Hip out. Thumbs up. Hip out. Thumbs up. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. And then exhale. Good. Feet together. Chupchan. We will practice very traditionally today. High thigh lane. Both hands up. Hip bow. And now thumbs up. Raise your heel. Gorchan lane and knee lane. Look up. 1. Go lane. 2. 3. Lane. Up. 4. Lane. 5. 6. Inhale and exhale. Now bend down. Uiswan. Hold your ankle, Nam Hai Gonshan. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Everybody come in the chair pose, Gapchan Bong Swan. Knee aligned with the toes and just push the hip down. Both hands up, Hai Tai Leng, Nin Leng. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Thang chen, your leg straight. Down thigh, finger lock. And once again, Ot Chen Leng, raise your heel. Try to be Chup Chan, your heel together. Now try up. 1, leng. 2, leng. 3, up. 4, 5, leng. 6, and now relax. Inhale, exhale, bend down again. Puiswan. Nam Hai Gonshan, you can hold your big toes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Gapchan Bong Swan again. Bend, relax, push the hip down. So this time, push your hip down more. Thêm. Parallel to the ground. Come on, Hai Tai Leng again. Nin Leng. You can choose that down like also. Finger lock you can be. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hip walk, function, 1000 ISO. Anybody has a similar I forgot to say downward down, so không cần gapchan. Anybody has a knee pain, so please avoid the knee bending motions. You have downward, so không cần yeah. Okay, 3 times deep breathing. Balan hít vào thở ra. Tất cả hít vào, thở ra. Inhale, exhale. Inhale and then exhale. Very good. Come front on the mat, top of the mat here. Inhale, both hands up, sun salutation. Exhale, bend back. Inhale, come back. Exhale, Puiswan, bend down. Chân phải lùi sau, your right leg back. Chân trái sau, your left leg back. Ning thang, look front. Ashtang Namaskar, thở ra. Gập chân gập tay. Inhale, upward dog. Thang tay bay lên, Ning Leng. Thở ra, downward facing dog. Chân phải chuan, right leg in between your arms. Mong Swan, push your hip down, knee down. Left leg front, chân trái chuan, hít vào. Thở ra, Puiswan. Hít vào, Hai Tai Leng, both hands up, inhale. Exhale, bend back. Inhale, come back. Exhale, Puiswan, bend down. Right leg back, chân phải lùi sau. Inhale, exhale, push your hip down. Chân trái sau. Ning thang, look front. Ashtang Namaskar, thở ra, exhale. Upward dog, inhale. Downward dog, exhale. Right leg in between arms, chân चल फाइ चुआक, लेफ्ट लेग फ्रंट, चल चाय चुआक, इनहेल, एक्सेल कोई swung, both hands up, inhale, exhale, back, inhale, come back, exhale, कोई swung, back down, लंबा, third round, चल फाइ कोई swung, right leg back, your left leg back, knees down, plank pose, Ashtanga Namaskar, upward dog, inhale, downward dog, exhale, चल फाइ चुआक, right leg front, चल चाय चुआक, left leg front, inhale, exhale कोई swung, inhale, both arms up, high thigh lane, exhale, back to back, inhale, come back, lung on, fourth time, exhale, कोई swung, back down, चल फाइ कोई sound, right leg back, चल चाय sound, left leg back, plank pose, in thumb, look front, Ashtanga Namaskar, upward dog, inhale, downward dog, exhale, चल फाइ चुआक, right leg between your arms, चल चाय चुआक, left leg front, inhale, exhale, कोई swung, bend down, both hands up, inhale, exhale, back to back, inhale, come back, relax, and then right swung, relax, home कोई swung. 3 rounds, deep breathing, Tantrahi Thao, Thao-za, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, once again, hit vow, and then Thao-za. Very good. So we will practice some very gentle balancing today. So first, put your right foot in your left inner thigh. A very traditional, we say the tree pose, Vrikshasana, Chal Fai. Your heel to be inside of your left inner thigh. Come on, option 1, chok thigh here. Option 2, option high thigh lane, both hands up. Try anyone. Wherever you can find your balance, just stay there. 1, focus. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and now 10. Relax. Very basic posture, very traditional posture. Another side, now your left, other side. Left with your right inner thigh. Your knee to thigh align. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and now 10. Okay, so relax. Good. Next is balancing, and next is also for your hamstring stretch. We will combine together. I'll give you the option. First, hold your right big toe right hand and then try to be stay. Cannot balance, so you can come with the ball right here and then you can be trying. Same. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so relax. Another side. Left leg, chin chai. I am just choosing the very basic traditional posture. 1, balancing posture give you the more focus, more awareness, and increase the more strength, particular on your body part. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and now 10. Good. Okay, enough. Come front on the mat. High thigh length hip bow. And third a Pui Suam. Bend down. High Chan Sao in the downward facing dog. Left leg up, Chan Chai Lane. Stay there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 5, and now 6. Pigeon pose, everybody.
Pigeon pose. Cho chân trước ạ.
Chân trước.
Cho chân xuống.
Hand side of your knees on the hip. Thang long, lung sao, and just kneel. Very, very gentle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and now relax. Bend forward, Pui Suam. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Come back. Again, downward facing dog. Chan Phi Lane, right leg up. Okay, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, pigeon pose. Yes. And now push your spine back, lung sao. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Pui Suam, bend down. 1, push your hip down. 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Come back. Nose up. Lying down with the chest. gấp hai chân, nằm hai cô chân. Bend relax from your ankle. Inhale, exhale, then up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Relax, come back. Lưng high, second time. Gấp chân, nằm hai cô chân. Inhale, exhale, then up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Relax, come back. Now go land down with your back.